Welcome back. Today we're solving 2-sum, one of the most famous problems on LeetCode. This is problem number 1, rated easy, and it's a fantastic introduction to the HashMap pattern that shows up in dozens of other problems. Let's dive in. Here's the problem. Given an array of integers and a target value, find the indices of the two numbers that add up to the target. For example, if our array is 2, 7, 11, 15 and target is 9, the answer is indices 0 and 1, because 2 plus 7 equals 9. We're guaranteed exactly one solution, and we can't use the same element twice. Before we jump to the solution, pause and think, what's your approach? The first approach most people think of is brute force. We use two nested loops. Pointer I goes from 0 to n, and pointer j goes from I plus 1 to n. For every pair, we check if they sum to the target. This is O of n squared time complexity, which means for 10,000 elements we're doing 50 million comparisons. It works, but we can do much better. Here's the C# code. We declare our function, run the outer loop, inner loop, check the condition, and return the indices. Now let's look at the optimal O of n solution using a HashMap. The key insight is, for each number we need to know if its complement, that's target minus the current number, exists in the array. Instead of scanning the whole array each time, we store scene values in a HashMap. We iterate once. For each element we compute the complement, check if it's already in our map, and if so, we found our answer. Otherwise, we add the current element to the map and continue. This reduces the problem from O(n) squared to O(n), a massive improvement. Let's trace through the example with target 9. Step 1. I equals 0, num 0 is 2. Complement is 9 minus 2 equals 7. Map is empty, so 7 is not found. We add 2 maps to 0 in our HashMap. Step 2. I equals 1, nums 1 is 7. Complement is 9 minus 7 equals 2. We check the map 2 is there. It maps to index 0, so we return indices 0 and 1. Done in just 2 iterations. Let's compare both approaches. Brute force runs in O(n) squared time and uses constant O1 space. The HashMap solution runs in linear O(n) time and uses O(n) extra space for the map. In most real interviews, the HashMap solution is what you want. And that's 2-sum. The key takeaway: whenever you need to check if a complement exists in an array, think HashMap. This pattern applies to dozens of LeetCode problems. If this was helpful, hit subscribe for more DSA videos every week. See you in the next one.